PISA 2022 data shows that Indonesia ranked 69 out of 80 countries surveyed globally. In the aspect of reading literacy, Indonesia's scores only reached 359, far below the average of developed countries. This data shows that the literacy level of Indonesian students is still low, becoming a big challenge in realizing quality education. Quality education has not been fully realized by all children, especially in rural areas. At SMP 1 Belo, Bima Regency, where I serve as a student of Kampus Mengajar program, many students are behind in their reading skills because they often follow their parents to Sumbawa to farm. As a result, their basic literacy skills are very weak. This condition shows inequality in access to education is proof that SDG number 4 still require real attention in the field. My name is Sika and I'm honored to represent STKP Taman Siswa Bima to the selection of mahasiswa berprestasi of the undergraduate program 2025. Today, I would like to invite us all to look back at the foundation of civilization, that is education. Education that is not only available but also has a quality, inclusive and empowering as in SDG number 4, quality education. But the question is, how can Indonesia children really experience quality education? The majority of the villagers in Belo, West Nusa Tenggara, are farmers. Every planting and harvest season, many students follow their parents to farm in Sumbawa Regency. This leaves the children absent for long periods of time, and when they return to school, they are already far behind. Many of them, even those in grade 8, still have difficulty reading fluently, let alone understanding the content of the text. School teachers face a dilemma: follow the curriculum targets or starting from the basic. While we talk about digital transformation, they still struggle to read and understand a simple paragraph. I would like to introduce an approach that I have pioneered in the field: RISE. RISE stands for Reading Intervention for Student Empowerment. RISE, or Reading Intervention for Student Empowerment, is a school community-based program that I initiate to strengthen reading skill as a form of empowerment. This program emphasizes on intensive and repetitive reading activities according to the student's level. RISE is not just about teaching reading, but about empowering students through literacy. But when a child can read well, they will be more confident, more empowered, and better prepared to face life challenges. RISE as a form of personal and community intervention that focus on improving the literacy of students who are left behind. Those who used to be silent are now reciting letters confidently. For me, this is not just for a result, but a hope. Hope that education can truly be a bridge out of limitation. But of course, this cannot be done alone. The government, the teachers, volunteers, parents, and all of us must be involved. We need to support teacher training to be able to implement RISE and policies that make room for adaptive learning. Quality education is the right of all children, including those who live in villages. They are not less intelligent, they just have not been given the opportunity to learn in the right way. Ladies and gentlemen, humanizing education does not force children to catch up, but adapt teaching to the needs and potential of children. RISE is a small step that can open the gates to big change. Because education is not about how fast a child can graduate, but how deeply they can understand, grow, and become best version of themselves.